Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to download Chatbot on mobile. First, go to Google Chrome and type openai.com. Then, click Try ChatGPT at the top. As you can see here, you will sign up here. Then, create account and fill up this page. Then, click Continue. And then you need to verify your email address. Then go to your email. And then click the verification link. Fill up again this page, then click the continue. Then type your phone number, then enter your code. And then select how you will use your OpenAI. And that's all. You have already successfully registered. Thank you for watching.